And we're live. So, had some issues earlier that have been resolved, I hope. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so gold. Gold is not really staying up. I need more from gold. You can see we're still in bullish territory on the daily chart on gold. NQ is not really staying up either. Not for what I want. And ES, not quite. So I'll just wait. Let's have a look at what the range is on NQ today. I believe it's over 300 points. Saw this big move down. That's 239. May not be 300 points actually. Correction. Yeah. Let's see. It looks like 300 points. Let's go check that. What's the current daily range? 314 points and 50. So the current range is on NQ. What's going on over there on gold? Let's go have a look. Gold's threatening lower. Gold was a I need to see a pullback here before going short on gold. This could go down to, what was that, 616? We're at 26, about $10. Fairly significant amount. Hmm. Seeing quite a bit of volume on this previous candle here. Quite a bit of volume. I'm wondering. See, this pullback here is why we don't jump in. See, oh my gosh. I'm about to get a setup here. Potentially on NQ, but I'm not sure about it. Okay, why am I not sure? You know what? I'll take it. Looking for a move down to 15. So we're looking at a stop around about 20. Looks like it's going to be a quick stop out. It's actually 20.75. So the stop is. Let's see, it's a rather aggressive entry. That's not good. That's too much of a push here. No, buyers are too strong. Took it off for a loss there. Huh? Would have hit the stop anyway. So lost about almost 19, so saved a point. Did say it was aggressive. Is this what this market's going to do? Trade both ways. We did have this big sell-off. Did see a bit of a V-shaped reversal. That's just got stuffed at the 200 and VWAP. Go for the long breakout. No. So you can't take a long here into that 200. Surely not. We went down, couldn't quite get the selling to continue. Just going to go long. See if this market wants to 90.25. 90.25. What is that? 23. What is that? 18.25. Looking for a breakout above this 200. No. Don't like the price action, so took it off early there. Don't like the fact that it's pulling away from that 200, so took it off for a loss. Smaller loss, but a loss nonetheless. So we could see a bit of a breakout towards the bit of a reversal all the way back up, but it's pulled back there, so it would have been stopped out if I held the position, so getting out early was a correct decision. You gotta be really careful of this area. Around this 200 and view up. Price action's gone a little bit strange here. It's really slowed down. Well, wonder if they're building to break out here. Build up for a breakout. I'm wondering. It's been very choppy here. Very choppy. Guess I'm gonna have to stay on the sidelines. Yeah, nothing's really happening here. All we can see is this choppy range despite the volatility we saw before the regular trading hours. We're just not seeing the volatility here. We had 240 from the highs points all the way down. We've had 203 from the lows, but it's gone into a bit of a range here. Gold isn't much better. Move up has me afraid to take shorts. That's me. Being completely honest, I'm pretty close to calling it a day here because these markets just aren't doing anything. Let's have a look at the economic calendar to see what might have been. So it is the 19th. We had building permits, 8:30. What building permits have done that? Seems that we built up to break out here. No setup for me though. So I'm looking at this gold trade here. It's a bit too volatile into the lows here. Ideally, I wanted to get in before we got to the lows. Oh. Short. Looking for a move down to 24.8. Oh my word, it's just hit it. Goodness me. 24.8. Oh wow. Okay, just like that. Thought about taking aggressive long and NQ here, but I'm not going to do that. Longer and aggressive NQ and ES, but no. I think I'm a bit shell shocked from the chop through here. A little bit shell shocked. Let's see. Target will be 46, but potential resistance up at 40. But I'll wait. There it goes up towards the 40. Wasn't quite a setup, but I suppose if I want to be really aggressive, I could try get back in and target the 40s, but then that throws the whole risk reward off. But again, if I target the 40s, my risk reward is adjusted based on the stop target. So where would this be? Be on this candle. It'd be there. So would that be 25? Problem is ES has already got to that level in it. What's your problem? Just leave it alone. $11.75. ES got to 11.75. See, there's the opportunity to get back in. But that's going to be really aggressive. You know what? Let's try it. $22. So 22 is the stop. Come on, why can't I get 22? $22. We get to 1175. I'm taking this off. I'm taking the NQ off if we get to 1175. I've set the alert. Actually, do we take it off or do we adjust our stop to break even? We're at 1050, 1075. We're 4 ticks away on ES. So probably 1125, 2 ticks away. Probably should have been more aggressive. Oh wow, through 12. Should have been more aggressive in placing my stop down there. So, as this was an aggressive entry, I'm gonna adjust my stop to just about break even. Because we've got ES at resistance there. Oh, come on. Come on. Can you just get to 40? Come on. So like it says, ES already got to that potential resistance at 1175. Trading above it, but really would like to see this get up to that 40. 25. Pick up 27. That's going to offset the current loss on NQ, which is minus 27,518. What would that also mean? So currently realized 19 minus 19. That's not a good candle. Really need to clear those highs there really quickly here. Need to get to 33, is it? Yeah, need to get to 33 real quick. Really quickly here. Probably 35. Come on. I need a bias to do that. Otherwise, I'm going to have to just take this off. You know what? No. Golly. Taking it off. Took it off there. Picked up 10. It's not bad. It's not bad. Picked up 10. Okay. Well, it was aggressive long anyway, so it was a bit of a bonus trade. Seems we got about 23. High was about 33. Potentially a further 10 points there. Still down, of course. Only down about 10 on the day. It's certainly disappointing if... So we've seen a good strong pullback there. Well, fairly, I wouldn't say strong, but it was okay pullback here on gold. Let's see what ES is doing. Similar. Let's see. So the original stop was down at 12. Had it down at 12.50. So was closing the position early the right thing. Of course, if it gets to 40, it's going to seem like the wrong thing, and in hindsight, should have held the position. It certainly seems like it's going up there. But it was an aggressive entry, so I wasn't really willing to risk it all the way down to the stop. And I didn't like this candle. Thought we could potentially reverse. Looks like we're going to get to that 40. There we are. Would have got to that 40. So potentially 17 points left there. Like I said, was an aggressive trade. Wanted to see that immediate follow through. Seems gold wants to give us another short. Ran into the VWAP there. Difficulties, more difficulties of the VWAP. Lower day is quite a bit away. Let's see what's NQ doing. NQ is pulling back. I wonder if we could take NQ here and try and target. No, don't do that. Let's not do that. Let's not start doing things like that. Gets as high as 43 and then try to take the pullback. What if it's reversing off the 40s? Just accept that we didn't get the just accept you didn't get the trade. It's not a problem. Golly. I need gold to pull back here a little bit. Golly. Short. $23.8. 23.8. May get stopped out immediately here. Candles rather large. So we're looking at 1.6 should be the stop. Looks like it's going to stop me out. Yeah, this is going to stop me out. Stopped out there. So we're down 18. CNNQ continue there. Not trying to be discouraged here, despite the setback. Not trying to be discouraged. Where could the next... Let's see. We're going to have a complete reversal today. You can see the sell down into this. I believe this is a 50 period. Buyers came in, drove the market all the way back up. Highs up at 697, let's just say 700. Currently trading around the 640s. Again, we're around this level of the 640s, so no, how interesting. Yes, wants to give me a signal short, but I'm not sure about that. Not a market that's V-shaping like this. Something rather odd on gold there. Volume's fallen off. Fair bit. Hmm. So this market slowed down again. What's going on? Ah, goodness me. Look left. Gold is looking increasingly difficult here. We're only down slightly on gold, but certainly would appreciate it if it was to pick up some pace. So we saw the large candle down, rejected immediately with an engulfing candle, closing above its highs. Probably would say it moved down to 42. Let's not start. Let's not make up trades now. May want to get in, but let's not make up trades. No matter how tempting it is. Thinking about going long with a stop down at 42, but there's no setup there. There's not a setup, so so that's about 1 to 1. So if we'd have got to about, say, 65. Get in about 50. Stop down at 42. Target would be up at 65. No. Not going to start making up trades. I would have worked out, but no. Not going to start doing that. Not going to start doing that. Wondering if this is a bit of a head and shoulders pattern here. Don't trade those anyway. Got our lows, higher lows. Appears to be a third higher low here. Do we go all the way back up to the VWAP? Would be slightly against the rules. No, leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone. It's against the rules. Leave it alone. No, I'm just gonna leave it alone. Might as well look away from the instrument before I go and jump in a trade. Okay, so even though we're not going to take the trade, looking for a move up to 31.6. Engulfing candle with no follow through. Let's see. Let's wait. Certainly tempting to look at that 75. Got as high as 68. But we have to be patient here. We've got to be patient. It wasn't a true setup. Let's mark the candle in red. Oh gosh, you can't. That's see, if it would have taken that long there, I'd be very annoyed at this moment. See, now this be a stop down at 48. 7, we'll be looking for 14, so looking for a move up to 70. Just through the highs. Anyway, just continuing to wait here. Where would the stop be actually? Don't think, no, that wouldn't have hit stop. Let's see. 31.6. 31.6 minus 29.3. 2.3 minus 20%, 1.8, minus 1.8, 27.5. So 27.5 would be the stop. Let's see how this works out. Didn't take the trade, but let's just see. NQ. No setups. ES. No setups. Oh, goodness me. Seems we're going to get aggressive long. About to get an aggressive long on NQ. Goodness me. Seems that no, didn't get the long setup on NQ. Seems we are going to get up to 31.6. Certainly interesting. Golly. Can't go abandoning the strategy, so we just have to accept that there will be opportunities that you just won't be able to take. Oh, goodness me, got straight into that 75. Goodness me. Okay. If this transition up would have been better. transition up would have been better. It would have been much easier. It can't take. If we get a setup here, can we take it? I suppose we could take the one on ES, because we still have a fair bit to go up to 30s for a higher day. But I think NQ would be problematic. Suppose we got 97, but that's a very tight window for NQ. Move up to 700, it's a very tight window. Plus we've got this area here, which could act as a bit of a resistance. So we're looking at 97. It's a very tight window. Very tight window. Gold's gone through that 31.6. So in hindsight, would have worked out. Similar to the trade over here that took off early. This wasn't a true setup. Took that off early. And this wasn't a true setup, so didn't take it at all. So I'll just be on the sidelines. Just be on the sidelines. It's important now that I don't feel FOMO from these missed opportunities and take subpar opportunities to make up for what I think what would have been clearly in hindsight, but what could have been profitable trades. So it's just important to be aware and not just jump into anything feeling I'm missing out. Just gotta be patient here. And even if I am patient and the setup I do take doesn't work, just holding myself together mentally and not go on tilt. Seems gold wants to set up short, but has the market decided to turn with these higher lows? That's going to be the ultimate question. Is the market now in a bullish phase? And this is just merely a retracement to go higher. Or we're going to see continuation. We'll find out. Because we are bullish on the day. Short. Looking for a move down to 27.1. Set this up 1-to-1 first. $1.3. ES is threatening to give a long signal. Let's keep an eye on it. Three, two, yeah. Long. Let's go look at NQ. Got a long signal on NQ. Looks like, oh my word, come on, man. Let's see if I get filled here. Come on, fill me NQ. We're buying near the highs here, so. Okay. Let's figure this out. Yes. 28.75. 28.75. Is that 3.5? Oh, come on. Are you telling me I should have just went in? Oh, gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. 92.75. 92.75. Oh, I could just use this one. Okay, so 92. I can't do that. I can't just jump in. Gosh, come on, think about this. 74. So essentially entry was at 75. Got down to 77 there. Come on. Come on. Come on. I need this to pull back. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Come on. Trying to stay patient here. $76. There we go. We're in. 92.75. Let's do 92.50. 17. 17. So that's 13.75. 13.75. What's gold doing? Oh, fuck. Oh, darn it. Darn flarn it, man. Come on, gold. Come on. Oh, my gosh. We got down to, was that 27.6? Oh, my gosh. 27.6. 5 ticks away. Okay. So, oh my gosh. So I'm looking at 92.75. Okay, let's see. Okay, what's gold doing? Oh, come on, gold. What is this? Oh, you've got to be kidding me, man. What the hell's gold doing? What is gold doing? Come on, man. What did gold go to? 27.2. My target's at 27.1. 1 tick away. Oh, come on. 27.1. Feel me. Come on. We got down to 27.1. Come on. Come on, Phil. Okay, fantastic. We got gold off the table. Picked up 8.5 there. NQ. Oh my gosh, NQ's turned around. Goodness me. NQ got to 87. It's turned around. So we are in this significant area here, as drawn by this box. So this area before we saw this huge sell-off. So there is this risk regarding this trade. I am trying to bank on it breaking out of this level. Just saw that buy up, which I'm quite confident about now. 88, 4 points away. Really want to see this follow through. Come on, no more selling, please. I don't need any more selling. Oh, we got to, what was that, 28? Let's go see what that was on ES. Yep, got to 28. So we're 3 ticks away. Okay, let's see what NQ's doing. We got up to 90 there. 3 points away. But again, we're at a significant high. 91. 91. Oh, come on. Don't pull back from here. Oh, come on. 91.5. Goodness me. Trying to stay patient here. Ah, come on. Don't tell me it's going to be these small margins that get me. What was a high on ES? Let's go have a look. 28, so that's 3 ticks away. Look at that. Giving back the P&L. Really want to just take... Definitely would like to take this off the table. If you can get 17.5, that'll more than offset any potential loss on ES. Back up to 90. Come on. Where do we get to as the highs on NQ previously? We got to 91.50, so we need, what's that? 5 ticks higher. So we need 5 ticks through the highs here. Back to 91, 91.25. Come on, get to 92, new candle. Come on. Come on. It's not going to do it. It's certainly making me question it. Trying to stay calm here. There we go. 92. There we go. Fantastic. Took that off the table. 17.5 there. So what do we have on? We have our ES on. ES needs to get to 28.75. Back up to 28. So 3 ticks away. 3 ticks is quite a lot on ES. I think if we can get this ES off the table, I will be certainly be done for the day. I've got so much on at the moment away from trading. So much on. So much stress away from trading. I'd love to trade all day. I'd love for trading to be the career, but it's not. So all I can do is make videos for now. Improve my trading. And hopefully at some point in the future, transition from just making videos to actually being a full-time trader. 28.50. There we go. And we've just picked up that 11.250 there. So target got hit on ES. Fantastic, good work. So NQ down minus 581 on the day, up 7.252 on gold, up 10.966 on ES. It says, so we're currently 1 hour and 43 minutes into the broadcast, and I am going to call it a day there because of the other things I've got to do away from the charts. So it wasn't the easiest day by any means, but I wouldn't say it was difficult either. Difficulty came through this choppy period after the market opened, seeing the great price action, smooth trending market before the market opened, into the open. Thought we'd see the continuation pretty quickly, but went into a range before seeing the breakout. Likewise on NQ, this is where we built our drawdown. This is where the drawdown happened. You can see right there, sold off 240 points, 240 points, rallied 203 points. I was expecting to see a continuation either to the downside or a bit of a reversal. Strategy doesn't really set up for reversals, to be fair. Strategy is a bit of a trend continuation strategy, and through this chop consolidation for the breakout, had the losses of the 18 and plus another 8 there. But I'm happy to walk away with only a small loss on NQ today, and also definitely happy to have a positive P&L day. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading.